The Federal State Scientific Industrial Consortium Microgen is the largest company in the Russian medical industry that holds a leadership in the development and production of medical immunobiological preparations, diagnosticums, and drugs. The consortium Microgen was founded in May 2003 in order to establish a competitive enterprise in the field of medical immunobiology that is capable of bringing into effect national programs of biological and epidemiological safety, development of the domestic biotechnological industry. Subsidiaries that were amalgamated within Microgen have a history that is more than 100 years old. They were created on the basis of Pasteur centers and laboratories that conducted studies in the field of immunobiology. At present, the consortium Microgen includes 13 subsidiaries. The Scientific Industrial Consortium Microgen is a modern enterprise that holds a leadership position in the domestic pharmaceutical industry. Its production output in the year 2007 was more than $170 million. Production capacities of the company make it possible to produce a total volume of the whole range of vital immunobiological preparations. The company steadily widens the shipping geography of its products. They go to the CIS countries, Mongolia, Vietnam, India, and Mexico. A number of countries of Africa, Southeast Asia, and Latin America are conducting talks concerning future cooperation. The Scientific Industrial Consortium Microgen produces more than 300 immunobiological preparations with a production volume accounting for more than 70% of all the immunobiologics produced in Russia. Microgen is the main manufacturer of vaccines for the national vaccination schedule. The company produces about 30 million doses of flu vaccine, more than 5 million doses of parotitis and measles vaccine, 6 million doses of DTP vaccine a year, and others. At present, the company manufactures vaccines and antitoxins, blood products, therapeutic and diagnostic serum, bacteriophages, patented medicines, probiotics, allergens and allergoids, nutrient mediums, diagnosticums and test systems, and medicinal herbs. The Scientific Industrial Consortium Microgen produces preparations in adherence to Russian and international standards. Highly skilled personnel and up-to-date specialized equipment ensure quality control of the products at all stages of the manufacturing cycle at all subsidiaries. The Scientific Industrial Consortium Microgen provides a continuous delivery cycle of immunobiological preparations in the cooling chain mode. The products are transported throughout Russia and nearby countries by special refrigerated vehicles. The main development target of the Scientific Industrial Consortium Microgen is the introduction of new up-to-date technologies and equipment, adherence to international standards of product quality. The Scientific Industrial Company Microgen, in active cooperation with leading Russian and foreign research centers, is working and designing an application to production development of unique innovations in immunobiology and biotechnology. Microgen specialists participate in international research projects, including the WHO programs for eradication of natural smallpox, measles, rubella, tuberculosis, whooping cough, diphtheria, tetanus, avian flu. The staff of the company includes 3 academicians, 13 professors, 26 doctors of science, and 166 candidates of science. At present, more than 15 novel preparations are being prepared for commercial production. In 2006-2007, the clinical studies in healthy adults were performed to assess safety, reactogenicity, and dose-related immunogenicity of the intranasal and inactivated avian influenza vaccine candidates. When the registration process is finished, Microgen is ready to start large-scale production of the vaccine in the amount required to cover the needs. The main aims of the Scientific Industrial Consortium Microgen are to support the maintenance of Russian epidemiological and sanitary welfare by full provision of immunobiological preparations, to provide in full primary vaccines for the national vaccination schedule of Russia and vaccines for socially important infectious diseases, to preserve and develop an efficient supply network and provide the Russian Federation subjects with high-quality immunobiological products, to create a unified program for development, support, and modernization of the productions on the basis of modern R&D projects in the biotechnological field, to raise the international prestige of Russian science, and to transfer all Microgen production facilities to GMP compliance.